Hello friend, I will guide you today. Give you our way. Use Microsoft Office. Online completely free. The way it's done is very simple. Please watch this video. The first one you need. Go to this Google. Search on Google is Office BA 6 years online. Then you will click search. On the first page, you'll see Microsoft BA number of years online. I'll go to this first page. Next, you will click on the sign in section. If you have an account, you can sign up and filling according to the available form. And then you'll click sign in. Next, you need to fill in the address. Microsoft account here. Then I'll click next. Next, I will enter a password of this Microsoft account. Next, you will enter the password here. Then you'll press yes. Now you can use the features of PowerPoint, Excel, Word, and other Office applications online. You can open a new document. Here you can fight with you up here. And its interface it's almost the same as the offline one. Tool here, you can adjust the layout here. When you're done, you can go back to your home page. Press the home button. You will see your document here. And you can click on the spot where it's 3 dots here. You will click download. At this point, you will choose the path you will click save. You will now get a Word file. Do you see how when you want to download a file? Material available at the bottom on the machine up. Office BA 6 years online. You will click where it is uploaded. You will select the document that you want to edit. You click open. When it doesn't happen, so you're going to look at this top corner. You will see a pop-up web block. On this page, you will click here. You can choose to allow pop-up. You will press down now and do the operation again. Select a document and open it. The document will now be opened automatically. And you can edit the document above. As usual, if you see the video, be helpful, don't forget to give yourself a like, as well as a comment below. Thank you.